For over 70 years, Nihon Kohden has been a pioneer of medical technology. Nihon Kohden introduced numerous groundbreaking innovations, including the invention of pulse oximetry, revolutionizing modern patient monitoring. Today, that legacy lives on through our world-class ventilation design, manufacturing, and testing centers. Nihon Kohden's commitment to excellence is anchored by world-class facilities across 2 continents, East meets West. In Orange County, California, our ventilation design and manufacturing campus spans over 60,000 square feet. And in Tokyo, Japan, our flagship production facilities combine decades of engineering experience with the latest in automated manufacturing technology. Introducing ventilators into our product family marked a natural evolution, deepening our ability to support patients at every step of their path to recovery. Every ventilator we produce is a testament to our commitment to quality and reflects a balance of human ability and technological innovation. In clean, controlled environments, skilled technicians perform precision assembly, treating the smallest connection with purpose. Working in harmony with advanced robotics supports speed, accuracy, and consistency in critical processes. Unlike most ventilator manufacturers, Nihon Kohden can build our own circuit boards, allowing us to control every layer of performance. By being able to own the entire process, we strengthen product quality and accelerate innovation. It's more than manufacturing, it's engineering built on trust. At Nihon Kohden, our quality control protocols exceed international standards. Combining advanced techniques with skilled engineering, our manufacturing lines represent the forefront of medical device production, designed for both efficiency and scalability, and always focused on one goal: exceptional quality and patient outcomes. Each Nihon Kohden ventilator undergoes a rigorous series of tests inside our state-of-the-art validation and calibration facilities. Here, custom-designed test chambers simulate the full spectrum of clinical conditions, so that when it matters most, our technology delivers. With insight and frontline experience, our clinicians, engineers, and scientists continually redefine what's possible. And because healthcare challenges are global, so are we. We collaborate with partners and practitioners worldwide to anticipate clinical trends and respond with solutions that are not only technically advanced, but clinically intelligent. Our ventilators are imagined by clinicians, designed by clinicians, for use by clinicians. This is different thinking for better healthcare. The fusion of experience, innovation, and compassion defines everything we do. Nihon Kohden empowers healthcare providers with trusted tools, today and for generations to come. On average, we take 28,000 breaths per day. At Nihon Kohden, we treasure every breath.